A new Delaval mixer wagon will soon be delivered to a waiting farmer somewhere around the globe. A farmer who has realized how much his dairy farm's operation can benefit from a Delaval mixer wagon. Delaval mixer wagons are modern and reliable mixers designed to optimize your dairy operations' feeding efficiency. For efficient loading without using a second tractor or loader, our 8-meter cubed and 12-meter cubed mixer wagons can be equipped with a silage cutter. During the loading process, the silage cutter works in combination with the hydraulic back wall, a combination that significantly reduces silage wastage while saving manual labor. The position of the silage cutter in the rear part of the mixer also makes it possible to load other feed components from above with a loader. This is possible because the silage cutter doesn't block the container opening. For the best quality mix, Delaval mixer wagons utilize a 3-auger system. The central bottom auger is equipped with round cutting knives that mix the feed into a homogeneous ration, using low power consumption. This main auger combines with 2 upper augers to give good mix flow inside the mixer chamber. A good mix flow is needed to optimize cutting and feeding efficiency. Our fast cutting knives can be turned over for reuse up to 3 times to keep the maintenance costs down. During unloading, the unloading door opens and then the unloading conveyor distributes the mix feed to the animals. The unloading conveyor is available in different lengths to fit different barn layouts. 2 different electronic weighing systems, or scale indicators, are available to help during loading and unloading. Delaval mixer wagons are equipped with an hour counter, which is combined with the service book to help you perfectly time your maintenance service. The mixer wagons are equipped with safety information labels. Transport lights for use on public roads are optional, but the flashlight and the work light are standard on mixer wagons equipped with a silage cutter. The flashlight starts flashing as soon as the silage cutter arm is lifted, and it also meets European dairy industry safety standards, like Eurotest. The work light makes it easy to see the loading process in dark working conditions. Delaval mixer wagons can be optionally equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic braking systems to fit the farm's specific tractor. Robust and strong Delaval mixer wagons can handle conditions in a loose housing system or on a big tied-up farm because they have several structural reinforcements. Each mixer wagon also has its own chassis with the mixer chamber on top. This provides extra strength and reliability in hard working conditions or where usage frequency is high. Delaval mixer wagons are well suited for use with total mix ration (TMR) and partially mix ration (PMR). In the PMR concept, the feeding process utilizes a mixer wagon together with feeding stations, where a base ration for a group of animals or the whole herd is distributed via the mixer wagon. Our mixer wagons add value to your TMR or PMR system by decreasing labor requirements and feed costs to increase feeding efficiency. Mixed ration feeding gives the cow a higher total dry matter intake, and that means higher milk production levels. Mixed ration feeding also gives faster energy balance after calving, so cows which are fed mixed ration are more likely to remain healthy. When it's time for loading, it's important to load the different feed components in the right order, according to mixing time and straw length. Generally, the following order is recommended. Start loading different types of concentrate. It's easy to follow how much feed is loaded by looking on the scale indicator. The main auger starts to mix the different concentrate feed components. The mixer wagon is on its way to the next loading place. The mixing process is now handling both concentrate and straw. The round knives on the main auger are now efficiently cutting the long fibered material. Before the silage cutter starts to load grass silage, the red colored protection plates are raised up. Now the silage cutter lifts up and the back wall is lowered down. When the mixer is going backwards in the silage bunker, the back wall works as a plough and collects feed from the previous loading process. The mixing process is now handling concentrate, straw and grass silage. Loading is controlled via the control panel. The mixer moves to the next loading place where corn silage is going to be loaded. During transport, the mixer wagon's strong chassis provides extra strength and reliability. The silage cutter and the back wall are operated with the mixer wagon's hydraulic system. This hydraulic system is independent of the tractor's hydraulic system, and this makes it much easier to choose an available tractor. The mixing process is now handling concentrate, straw, grass and corn silage. The last loading process is also operated via the control panel with the aid of the scale indicator. The silage cutter leaves a straight cut face, which is necessary for maintaining feed quality in the air-limited bunker. The silage cutter is lowered and the loading process is done, but the mixing process is still continuing. All the feed components must be mixed into an even and homogeneous blend with the right straw length. The mixing process is done and the mixer is now preparing for the unloading process. The mixer wagons are available in 8 meters cubed, 12 meters cubed and 17 meters cubed capacities. The unloading conveyor is now lowered and the unloading process starts. The mixed feed to this group of cows is unloaded via the unloading door. The unloading conveyor is available in different lengths to fit different barn layouts. As an option, it can be hydraulically adjusted to suit different feed tables. The loading conveyor is equipped with an endless belt to give a long lifespan. These cows are fed so the unloading conveyor is lifted up and the mixer moves to the next unloading place. The mix wagon starts to unload the last feed with a specific recipe for this group of cows. A Delaval mixer wagon optimizes feeding efficiency on a modern dairy farm by completing the feeding chain. The tractor driver receives the day's work tasks via the mobile phone. But before taking care of those work tasks, another loading with feed components from another recipe is loaded, mixed and unloaded. Completely mixing many feed types helps ensure the cow eats the right feed balance and maintains a stable pH in her rumen, which in turn reduces the risk of disorders. The tractor is needed for other farm work tasks, and the Delaval mixer wagon is going to be parked until the next feeding later today.
Hej Anders!
Hej Lasse!
Hur är det?
Ja, det är bra.
Ja, jag tänkte jag skulle följa upp att här nu, det är ju en vecka sedan vi var och mjölkade in här.
Ja, det har gått bra.
Det har det?
Ja, mycket bra faktiskt.
Ja, det var roligt. Ja. Det är ju alltid spännande när det är nytt.
Ja, nej, det går bra både med korna och vi som jobbar med.
Om vi säger så, vad är de viktigaste argumenten tycker du för den?
Det viktigaste argumentet är ju att de inte kan selektera fodret vid foderbordet. Utan de får ju äta alltihop liksom. Och sen är det då att de äter ju betydligt mer jordfoder. Man får i dem mycket mer.
Ja.
Samtidigt som vi har ju förväntningar då om att kunna höja både fett- och proteinhalterna.
Ja, just det.
Så jag tror att det lyckas med faktiskt.
Ja, just det. Och det brukar ju bli följden utav det.
Ja.